Hey everybody, I wanted to talk you through the process of determining your topic for our research paper. So what I have on the screen here is that topic and subtopic worksheet, and I tried to give you an example on the first day we discussed this of a research question that I looked at as well as my subtopics, but I want to walk you through a different example so you kind of know what the process looks like from start to finish. So the first thing that you're looking at is your overarching research question. What would you like to know more about? And we want to phrase this with either why or how so that we have a question with some depth as opposed to something that we're just going to make a list about. Focus on things that interest you, either a career in your future, a hobby that you're interested in, travel, a project you might like to start. So I'm going to do something just as lame as I am, and I think I would like to know more about how to create a backyard garden. So I'm literally going to delete that why, and I'm just going to fill in this line with my topic. How to start a garden in the backyard. So the next step is to figure out what subtopics I would need to understand in order to answer my research question. So if I brainstorm now, keeping in mind that this can really change at any point as I research, one thing I'm probably going to need to understand is how to prepare the land. So like what I actually have to do in my backyard. Another thing I need to understand is how to choose plants. And maybe a third thing that I would need to understand is how to maintain the seeds and care for them so that they grow. So I think I've got a good topic. I think I've got some decent subtopics in there, but the next step is to make sure that I can actually find sources, because it's all great until I discover that I can't find anything on Google or on Inspire. Now, a topic like this, I'm probably easily going to find stuff on Google, and so I went ahead and did a search, and as I'm scrolling down through the second page of things, the first page had a lot of WikiHow stuff and personal blogs that I'm not sure are helpful, but then I get to the Family Handyman site here, which I know is a publication, and I know this because my ex-husband used to get it. Goodhousekeeping.com is also a magazine. On there, I'm already seeing a date that is going to help with my source evaluation criteria. If I look down at the source, I've also got an author, so that is going to meet my source evaluation criteria. Further down on the search results page, I even saw a link for Home Depot, which, because it's a hardware store, because they sell a lot of the items that I might need to start a garden, I feel like I can trust them. If I find a lot of ads on that page, though, I'm probably not going to choose it. Inspire might be a different case. I don't know if I'm going to find anything on Inspire, and since Inspire is a requirement, I need to make sure that I'm going to be able to find at least one source. So if I go to Inspire and I search starting a garden, and then I wait for my laptop to catch up with me. Saved by seeds, endangered plants. I'm looking at these subjects here to see if they're what I need. And as I look down through here, and I'm not sure that I'm seeing much, it occurs to me that maybe I need to refine my search terms, because starting a garden is kind of vague. Maybe I need to specify that I want to start a vegetable garden. And that may help limit, oh my goodness, there we go. That may help limit my search terms. So right here already, I can see an article that might be helpful. And I go ahead and skim it to see what's there and to make sure that it actually does contain helpful information. Oh, set your sights. Okay, one thing I was going to look at is how to take care of the land. I see a lot of subheadings. There's another subheading that's probably going to help with how to prepare the land. Okay, so now I'm comfortable that I at least know that I have sources. What I did learn, however, is that I need to refine my research question. So I would like to know more about how to start a vegetable garden. Okay, so this is really all it takes to complete that topic and subtopic worksheet. I will be checking those and giving you some feedback, letting you know once you have finalized a solid research question and subtopics. And as always, if you have any questions, all you need to do is email me. Make sure you turn it in on Google Classroom once you're finished, and that way I can give you that feedback. Talk to you soon.